Hi, welcome to another Caring Concepts video. Have you been struggling in your relationship with an introvert? Or are you an introvert yourself and trying to understand what you need better? Here's 10 ways to have a successful relationship with an introvert. But first, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss on any content like this. Number 1. Less small talks. Introverts love to spend their energy in their headspace, so they save up most of their energy, and they like to avoid spending energy on small talks. So try to have less small talks with them. And if someone started having long small talks with them and they felt uncomfortable, help them out with it. Number 2. Ignore the serious faces. If you know an introvert, you already know. Sometimes they like to be quiet and have a serious face on, but most of the time they aren't annoyed or uncomfortable. If an introvert feels like something's wrong, they usually directly point it out. Number 3. Enjoy the silence. One of the things introverts really enjoy is the silence. Sometimes they like to just sit with their loved ones and enjoy the weather, the view, and your presence. Try to be present and enjoy being silent with them. Practices like mindfulness and meditation can help you with that. Number 4. Be more open. Impressing an introvert takes more than good looks and a bag of cash. Actually, they prefer to hear your thoughts and feelings more than your havings and belongings. So, being open and honest about what's in your mind is the best way to get closer to them. Number 5. Socialize together. No one, not even an introvert, wants to be alone all the time. Introverts usually have a few close relationships. They enjoy spending time with people close to them, like their friends and family. So you could throw small gatherings and socialize together. Number 6. Give them more privacy. Pretty much everyone needs to have their privacy. Introverts also enjoy having some things to themselves, like if they are keeping a notebook around and writing it a lot, or do a lot of drawings and paintings. Invading their privacy will make them anxious and secretive. Number 7. Keep it slow and steady. One thing introverts hate is going too fast or too big. Could be even a deal breaker to them. They like to talk about the future, the time, and the place first. So just relax with them and take smaller steps. Together you'll be still able to reach your goals, but there is no rush. Number 8. More quality conversations. Introverts spend so much time coming up with ideas and creating a special point of view. They look for a person to share this with. Being able to be their active talking buddy makes you special and more likable to them. Number 9. Give them alone time. You know how your phone runs out of battery after working a lot? Introverts are just like that. They feel drained after spending time talking or doing something, and they need to be alone and recharge themselves. Don't take it personal, it's just how they are. Number 10. Accept them as they are. It's easy to get judgmental and try to change other people, but the only person that you can change is yourself. So if you chose them, don't try to change them to something they aren't. Introverts are unique and caring. They love to get to know themselves and be better, but they also want to be loved and accepted as they are. Did you find this video helpful? Let us know what you think in the comments. And please share this with anyone that needs it. As always, thank you for being here, and I hope to see you in the next video.